Hello children, how are you all? This is your computer teacher Chaitra. So I'll be handling your class grade 3. So first video, hope you have seen. Any doubts, please feel free to ask me. Then the chapter 1 we were talking about the computer fundamentals. So in part A we are going to learn about what is a computer and some parts of the computer. Hope you understood. Now let us continue with computer fundamentals, the same chapter, with part B, that is uses of computer and some exercises. So you know what is a computer? A computer is a machine which runs on the electricity. It works very faster than parts of the computer. You know, it is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So hope you have seen the videos. There are some other parts of the computer also. Next, let us continue with the uses of computer, that is part B. So children, there are many uses of computers. Without computers today, the life will not move on. So computer is used everywhere. In the house, computer is used in the office, then in the education field, that is in the school, then hospitals, then railway station, bus stands, then airports, banks and printing or designing. So everywhere we use computers. So computer has become a part and parcel of our life. So without computers, there is no life today. So let us see some of the uses or where we use the computer and why we are using the computer. So shall we continue with this part B? Next, yeah. So can you just see here, first is where we are going to use the computer is home. So why we are going to use the computer at home? To watch movies, to listen to music and to draw pictures and to play games and chatting with the friends and relatives. So children, will you do this? Yeah, now only you are doing it, right? Going through the videos is nothing but seeing it, and you're going to see the videos and writing, or you're going to do some pictures is nothing but drawing pictures. Hope you are also playing the games through the computer. Then you're going to chat with the friends and relatives who are in the far distant. Correct? Yeah. Computer are used for playing games, listening to music and watching movies. Computer are used to making cartoon movies and some animations films. Whatever the cartoon you are going to see today in the TV, they are all made through the animations films. So computers are used for making drawings. So you can just see in the images, these are some of the uses of computer and the place where the computer is used. Next we are coming to the school. So school office. Hope in your office also the computer is there. Yeah, it is there. Then in the computer lab, our computer lab, yeah, computers are there. Yes, everyone is going to work on that computer. Next, in school library, the computer will be there. Next is smart classroom, correct? Now again the online classes, everyone is teaching through the smart class, correct children? Yeah, there is a smart board in our school also in each class, so that we can directly teach through online or smart classes. So computer are used in schools for teaching, computer are used for mathematical calculation. Students can do their work using the computer. So it is an easy task rather than seeing the textbooks, or you have to read the textbook, but more compared to the textbooks, computers are very useful in the school. Next, let us come to the office. So what is the uses of the computers in the office? Sending and receiving emails. Can you just see the person is sending and receiving the email? So what is the advantages of email is it is direct. So when you send, immediately you get the reply back. So earlier it was like you're going to write the letter and I have to post it and then you have to get it reply after many days. Now it is not like that. It is the era of now emails where you're going to send the mail instant and you'll get the reply instantly. Next is maintaining the accounts. Earlier it was manually. Now it is all computerized. You're going to maintain all the database or records. For example, in the office, all the records of the employees and their financial accounts, everything has been recorded inside the computer. So it is safe and secure, containing safe and secure comparing to the manual documents. So you can make the mistake also while writing. So here no mistakes will be done. So computer will automatically calculate and maintain the accounts. Next is importance of record keeping. So you can keep the records and the stock. So all the records you can keep inside the computer. It can store many records. It can store more than 5 years, 6 years records, which will be very useful. So in office, computers are used to type and print the documents and letters. It is used to type and print the documents, letters. Computers helps in keeping records of the office employees. Correct? Yeah, computer helps in sending emails. So one more is typing and printing. Yeah, computer is used for typing and immediately you get the printouts. Next, so have you gone to a shop and where you have seen the computers? Yes. So computers are used in the cloth shop. Can you just see in the image textiles? So you take a cloth here, then you can just they use the barcode and your billing is already done. So all nowadays in shops it is computerized billing. So this is electronic shop also. Here also you can see the computers here. So it is also computerized billing. Next, where you go to jewelry shop, many jewelry makings are done through the computer. All minute designs are done through the computer, and also the billings are also done through the computer. So wherever you go now, it is a computerized billing. Next, in the supermarket, home we have seen the barcode reader. So it will read the price and it will just scan it to the computer and immediately the billing will be done. So these are some of the things computers are used in the shops. Next, let us come to the hospital. Yes, so preparing medical reports, computer are used to prepare medical reports. So while preparing the reports, you are not going to write it manually. Everything you feed the records or feed the information, it will prepare the reports. Next is scanning and x-rays. So you can just see in the image everything. Once the scanning takes place, it will be just transferred to the computer and you will get the image instantly and you get the report also instantly. This is what the usage of the computers nowadays. Next is diagnosing diseases. The doctor will ask what are what you are facing, and immediately it will be recorded or it will be given to the computer, and immediately the computer will diagnose what disease the person is having. Next is the medical lab. While testing all the blood report or any other reports in the medical lab also, we are going to use the computer. You can just see in the images. Next, hospitals. Computers helps in patients keeping records of all the patients in the hospital. Computer helps the doctor in controlling the operation theater machines. Computer help in doing number of medical tests. Fine. Yeah. So next we go to the railway station. You can just see in the image platform ticket. Can you just see here computer is there. So while doing the ticket reservations also, all the information will be given to the computer and you get the tickets immediately. Next is the railway security. Can you just see here, he is going to watch through the computer. So all the cameras are fitted over there and he can see all the trains, what are all the trains coming, what are all the trains going, how many passengers are there, and everything it can be controlled in the railway security. Next, control train traffic. Yes, so they are going to control the train traffic, and you can see the kiosk. Kiosk is nothing but you get the ticket immediately. You need to just say the destination where you are going to travel, then you get the tickets with the price. You can collect the ticket. No need to go there, stand in a queue and then collect it. So you can just take it immediately. So these are some of the advantages of computer nowadays. Now computer helps in giving information about the ticket reservations and booking. Next, computer help in giving information about the arrival and departure timings of the trains and aeroplanes. Is it, children? Yeah, it also gives the information when the train is going to come and when the train is going to arrive and when the train is going to departure. Next, computer helps in keeping records of all the passengers. So once you are going to give the information to the computer, it stores the information. So it keeps all the track of the persons who have come today, who have taken the tickets and who have who have traveled, everything will be recorded inside the system. So this is the major advantage of the computer nowadays. Next, in airport. So it is for immigration clearance. What do you mean by immigration clearance? That is, immigration is nothing but when you're going to travel to the other countries, so the passport has to be checked. So all these are done through the computer. Next, issue boarding pass. So while traveling, you need a boarding pass, that also will be issued by the computer. Next is control air traffic. So this is a major advantage where you are going to use the computer to control the air traffic. So it will tell what is the condition and how the condition, and whether the aeroplane can land now, or whether how is the weather conditions, everything will be told by the system here. Next is the security checking. Yes, all your baggages will be security checked here, and that is also done through the system here. Can you just see the system here? So everything is computerized nowadays, and the computer is very useful in all the places. Next, the important thing is design and printing. So can you just see, in the fashion designing, computer is used. So earlier they used to draw here, so but you get many apps like this, so you can do the things very fastly. Next, flex printing and big banners. Children, hope you have seen these big banners on the road. That will not be taken out by the small printouts. So you need a large thing, that is the plotter. Hope you have learnt about the devices, that is the plotter. Here, can you just see the device plotter, where you get large big printouts, mainly used for the banners. So next is the studio, design studio, or you can just call it as photo studio. Wherever you go, it is all been computerized. Now you get the photos immediately. In the 5 minutes you get all the photos now, because it is all computerized now. Next is design buildings. So while designing buildings also, no need to write it manually, which takes a lot of time. All the applications will be there inside. You need to just feed the data, you'll get the design immediately. Next, computer helps in designing magazines, newspapers, books, advertisements, etc. Computer helps in designing buildings, houses, etc. So these are some of the uses of computer in design and printing. Next, let us see the computer is used in banks. So managing bank accounts. Yes, nowadays it's online banking, so you need to just give the details, account number, and you need to have a password, so that you can check the bank accounts wherever you are sitting. No need to go to the bank and check the account. You can just check or manage the account wherever you are there. Next is bank ATM. Hope everyone have seen this. So you need to just have a debit card or a debit card, and you need to place it, and you need to give the password, and you need to say the amount, and you will get the amount. So this is instant. No need to stand in the queue and take the amount. Next is cash counter. So can you just see here, it is also computerized. Here they will take the cash and they will check the amount, whether it's correct or not. Everything will be done by the computer. Next is cash deposit and withdrawal. So you need to deposit the cash, and it will be checked in the computer, and it will be fed in the computer. Next, you can also withdraw the cash. So computers are used in banks for storing information about different account holders. So it has all the information about the different account holders, and computer helps in keeping track record of the cash. Computers help in giving all kind of information regarding any account in the bank. So these are some of the uses of computers in the bank. So now let us go to the page number 13, where you have some exercises I have already done for you. You also go through the textbook, and please do it. So here the basic parts of the computer are monitor, CPU, mouse and keyboard. Joysticks helps you to play games on the computer. Dash drive helps you to play a DVD or a CD. It is nothing but the CD or DVD drive. Scanner helps you to dash images into the computer. Obviously, scanner helps us to scan the images or the documents. Next is multiple choice question. At the school, computer is used in diagnosing diseases, flex printing smart classroom. Obviously it is smart classroom. Next, in hospital, computer is used for scanning, air traffic and reservation. It is used for scanning. In airport, computer is used for immigration, designing or scanning. It is used for the immigration. In bank, computer is used for computer lab, boarding pass or ATM. It is used for the ATM. Next, fill the crossword. Vertically it's given, horizontally given. I have done. Let me show you. Here computer is used to control air traffic. So where the computer is used to control air traffic? It is in the airport. Next, he uses computer to diagnose disease. Who will use computer to diagnose disease? Obviously your doctor. Next, it helps us to withdraw money. Where we can withdraw money? Through the ATM. Next, here computer is used for scanning and x-rays. Where computer is used for scanning and x-rays? It is hospital. Next, in railway station it is used to reserve tickets. What it is used? It is computer is used to reserve tickets. Plotter is used to take large large printouts. Small printouts you are going to use printer. Plotter is used to take the large printouts. Next, identify the parts of computer. So some parts of computer are given. Please you need to identify it. I have already written. First is the scanner. Second one is the pen drive. Third is the joystick. And fourth is the printer. Next, match the following. Please don't draw lines. You are going to write the numbers. Medical reports. Where it is used in the hospital. Buildings. It is used for designing. Accounts. It is used in the office. Listen to music. You are going to do it in the home. Then kiosk. Kiosk will be in the railway station to collect the ticket instantly. Next, true or false. You need to tell whether it is true or false. Scanner, you need to write T here and F here, but I have written true or false. You can write like that only, children. Next, scanner helps to scan images. Is it true or false? Obviously it is true. Kiosk is used in the shops. False. Kiosk is mainly for the ticket reservation. Next, computer is used in the flex printing. Obviously true. Yes, computers are nothing but the parts of computers, that is the plotter, which is used for the flex printing. Next, find out and round the given words in the letter grid. So you have to find out and you have to circle it out. One I have done for you, mouse. You need to find home. Where is home? H-O-M-E, and you need to circle it. Then you have to find the words design, then printing, books, bank, airport, computer, shop and railways. Please do it, children. This is for your activity. You need to search the words and you need to just circle it. Next, identify the places where the computers are used. First is, this is shops, this is hospital, this is design and printing, this is school, this is home, and this is the bank. ATM, this is school, smart class, and this is your home, talking to the relatives, and this is the shop, then this is the hospital, and this is design and printing, taking out the banners. Now connect with the related features. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, everything still 6 given. Play games. Where you are going to do this? Obviously at home. Draw pictures. Where you are going to do this? Again in the home. Then computer lab. Where will be the computer lab? It will be in the school. So smart classroom. Where will be the smart classroom? Obviously in the school. So where will be the ATM? In the bank. Where will be the cash counter? In the bank. So thank you, children. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask me. So this completes your chapter 1. So we'll start with the chapter 2 from the next class. So please complete all the activities. Since all the activities are given back of the textbook, no need for the 100 pages notebook. So let us complete all this in the textbook itself. So please do it, children. Thank you. Have a good day.